Welcome to TS Lombard. Yesterday's LSR view on Germany and the euro area has good news and had some bad news. The good news is that both Germany and the euro area are growing well at above potential. And of course, that also entails an inflation rate which is now reasonably set at 1% and likely to be rising slightly during the course of this year towards the target of just under 2%. The bad news is, of course, that this means that sometime around the middle of this year, the ECB will almost certainly much reduce its monetary stimulus, and as a result, the euro will then start to rise quite sharply, and at the same time put the Italian economy, which is growing much more slowly than the others, into serious difficulties with both debt, potential recession, and politics. And so sorting that out will be a problem, obviously, for the remaining members of the EEA, but it was also a problem for the rest of the world, which has to suffer the deficits that are the flip side of the very large surpluses caused by the current undervaluation of the euro. So that's one round each of good news and bad news. But the last round of good news is that over the long run, we think that the German imbalances will start to diminish because the baby boomers retiring will start to reduce the savings rate, and at the same time, the large wave of immigration and refugees will be enforcing a much higher rate of investment than before.